Hi folks, this is Phil Medcalf from Alphamarine Photography, and we've had a question on our Q&A group about hand signals for when you're working with models. So I just thought I'd show you the hand signals we use, usually between me and Anne or someone else I'm diving with, just to get people in position when we want to get pictures of them. So the first one, to sort of say I want you to model for me, would be you model. This is our modelling signal, one hand behind the head, posing for me, or vice versa. If you think, oh, I can get myself in a good position to make a better picture for somebody, then go up to him and go, I'll model for you. Okay, so moving on from there, you might want to have somebody holding a light in your picture. It's a bit of a underwater photography cliche. You often see pictures with lights, with divers with lights on. Of course, if you're inside a cave or something, it has a logical reason, and they'll probably have lights on anyway. But if you do want it with somebody with a light, our signal for that is to show that you want them to turn the light on. Okay. And if the light is already on, then you could sort of go, I don't want your light anymore. And then actually positioning the person. So simple sort of, the kind of thing you see people directing traffic sort of thing. Open palm signals, so go back, come forward, stop, go left, go right. And then if you want somebody to sort of change their actual positioning in the water rather than the distance from you or the distance to the side or up off the bottom. So by the way, up off the bottom is kind of that, or go down is that. And then so I want somebody to go straight in the water, so feet down, vertical in the water. I'll do a signal like that, so go like that. And if you want them flat, I'd signal like that, okay? And then again, you're sort of go left, go right, and hopefully you'll get your diver in the position you want them to be in. Obviously, you need to agree these signals before you start the dive, otherwise they're just going to wonder what on earth you're going on about. Okay, hope that's useful. This is the kind of stuff we cover in our underwater photography workshops, so if you're interested in something like that, go to the events page on our website, which is alphamarinePhoto.com.